Sure thing. Chicken wings. Sure thing. Chicken wings.
Ramos at bangsa diplomat. So we're here at Ramos in the city center of Cebu. We're gonna try a new restaurant. I was actually invited last Friday and I come. First step.
Pag mo yun ang gulit kita, ka ba nagbibilangan sa
Ano sure thing man?
Chicken ka. Sure thing, chicken wing. So, it can say it rhymes. Symmetrically balanced siya paminawon. Anya, mura po siya tagline na, lamig din siya, sure thing yun. Halang na siya.
Halang na siya.
Kaning duha, dili, kaning tamis na yun. Kani kay aslong. Kani kay sweet and
Sweet and hot.
Spicy. Kani is gangnam.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Kana siya, mao gina original na buffalo wings kanang pariso na nimo beer. Then at ang busy gabi.
So, ang sa'yo nindot na parisan na beer?
Kani. New Yorker.
Beer ang nindot na paris.
Kani siya, mamagin yung mga common na chicken wings gid na inyong mga sawayan pinasa. Nagi buffalo wings, nagi Korean wings.
Hindi mo siya hot nga, hindi makaya ng hot. Okay na siya hot.
Kami jud yung pero na may sauce na halang? Wala.
Nano na siya sauce?
Masa inspiration sa Pinoy? Masag inspire. Anong na Pinoy man siya?
Kailangan mo yung something na makaimanta na ato agad ba? Kay may New York, may US, may Korea. Kani more on American yung English. Iyan ang idea ng English. Ako ng idea.
Sabi ko hangin din.
Pambata sa
Dagang mga kids.
Nagpila yung nga ni sir?
Each one 99. Pero nami 69 which is 2 piece and tulo ka pusok or half cordon and chips.
Nakakataon naman sa DAB 21?
Magkakaon yung tanan.
Mahal tayo lang 125?
Bantay ko.
Oo.
Pero in fairness po to them, mahal mo sa sila gipangrentahan na place. Like kanang Gibbs o kanang Bad Boys, mahal na gipangabangan. So, ano ang baan?
Well, what's your favorite?
My favorite is the New Yorker
Because
because it's hot and spicy.
ikaw siya.
Pinoy kay kuan man. Ang nanay batis.
I love the what was that? Honey glaze. Pricing. So I recommend the honey glaze for people like me who love sweets. People who love sweet and spicy, choose Gangnam. You can find this sure thing in front of Diplomat Hotel here in Ramos. Any words of wisdom?
Wala ko actually. New Ramos Center.
Yes.
World peace.
Rating.
5 of course. Ay, 1 to 5 or 1 to 10?
1 to 5.
5. Pinoy man. Pinoy.
The food,
I like the Pinoy.
yes.
One of the best chicken wings.
It's the best chicken so far I have tried. So come at Sure Thing Chicken Wing.
Come at Sure Thing Chicken
Chicken
Wing.
Wing. Sure Thing. Ay na. Ito. 1, 2, 3. Sure Thing Chicken Wings. We would like to thank Carlo. His office is at the back for the treat. And Sir Jericho for the treat today.
Sir Jericho lang.
Yeah. They have the event last Friday. I wasn't able to come. And Chunks, you're in the middle.
Oh, pwede.
Yes. They'll drop us by at SM. Okay, okay.
Salamat kayo sa inyo pag ganyan.
Oy! Mas labaw pa kang salamat, sir. Oy. Salamat inyong duha. Bugat yung mga pasahok.
Wala, naghuot mo? Ikaw ang ganyan kung tibok banda.
Hindi, kami naghuot, nabugat.
Okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go! Sure thing! Chicken wings!
Sure Thing.